Greetings, I will be doing a quick product review on the new AI Fame Rush. From cutting-edge algorithms to innovative machine learning models, the reviews cover a wide range of topics that are essential for staying up to date with the latest trends in artificial intelligence. With an experienced team of researchers and experts, AI Fame Review offers in-depth analysis and critical evaluations of AI products and services. Whether you are a professional in the tech industry or simply curious about the potential of AI, this platform is a valuable resource for understanding the complexities of this rapidly evolving field. Hang around because I will also be sharing with you a demo of this fantastic new tool. AI Fame Rush is an innovative AI-powered virtual influencer creation tool designed for forward-thinking brands and marketers. The journey with AI Fame Rush begins with a spark of creativity. Envision your influencer's aesthetic. Whether it's a specific image or a style you're after, AI Fame Rush turns your vision into reality with just a click. With AI Fame Rush, say goodbye to the tedious micromanagement and complexity of traditional influencer collaborations. This platform offers a treasure trove of influencer videos designed to drive traffic and catalyze growth, effectively reshaping your BR. Let's check out the demo.
Do you envy those social media influencers? You've seen it all over your feeds. Those influencers living the dream life that just screams success. They've got the cars, the mansions, and private jets that make even A-list celebrities green with envy. It's like they're playing life on cheat mode, isn't it? But do you ever wonder how they got there? How did these people become so popular? You secretly want to be one of them, don't you? The fame, the money, the endless possibilities. You feel the pull, don't you? The temptation to join their ranks and reap the rewards of being a social influencer. And you're not alone. But it's not all rosy as it seems. Those cars and mansions come with a cost. The pressure to maintain that perfect image, it's crushing. Privacy? Forget about it. Your personal life isn't yours anymore. It's entertainment for the masses. And those paychecks? They may come in large sums, but they're not consistent. One wrong move, and you could lose it all. Burnout is real, my friend. Creating content nonstop is like running a marathon with no finish line. And when the trolls come calling, it's a battle to keep your sanity intact. I stumbled upon an Instagram reel while casually shopping, and it turned my world upside down. But more on that later. However, what if you can have the best of both worlds? Yes, you read that right. You can have the fame, the money, and endless possibilities without sacrificing your privacy, mental health, and personal life. Without the pressure to maintain a perfect image. Without constantly creating content. Without dealing with online trolls, without going insane from burnout. Plus, you don't have to worry about aging or losing relevance. Virtual influencers can stay young forever, and your audience will never tire of you. The future is here. Virtual influencers are taking over. As a virtual influencer, you control everything, from your image to your content to who you work with. Brands are jumping at the chance to partner with virtual influencers as they offer a fresh, new perspective and unlimited creative possibility. You can even clone yourself and be the face of every video online. Now that's true influence. You don't have to be stuck in one niche. You can be a fitness influencer, a fashion icon, and a tech reviewer, all at the same time. Virtual influencers like Lil Miquela, Emma, and Shudu Graham are already making waves in the social media world. They are the present. They are the future, and you could be too. Becoming a virtual influencer opens up a world of opportunities that traditional influencers can only dream of. Hi, my name is Yogesh Agarwal, and I'm a computer geek who loves to solve complicated problems for marketers. And I am grateful to be able to help over 250,000 marketers succeed with my simple software solutions, which in turn has generated me and my company over $5 million in sales in just the last 4 years. The accidental discovery. I was just browsing, thinking of buying my wife a brand new Samsung phone for our anniversary. Then boom, YouTube hits me with this ad featuring Lil Miquela. My eyes scanned the description, the coolest robot on Instagram. Wait, what? I was immediately hooked. This wasn't just any influencer. This was something else, something new. Curiosity got the best of me. I had to know more. The aha moment. I came across a news article about Lil Miquela, and it all just clicked. This AI turtle influencer charges over $10,000 per Instagram post and has an 8-figure net worth. You see, Lil Miquela wasn't real. She was a virtual creation by a savvy Los Angeles-based startup named Brood. And yet, she had over 3 million followers and lucrative brand deals with the likes of Prada and Calvin Klein. A robot influencer. How does that even make sense? But here's the thing. It just works. There were dozens of other virtual influencers out there. Most of them were created and operated by a handful of creative agencies who saw the potential in this new trend. And they are making bank. The likes of Lil Miquela, Emma, and Shudu Graham are dominating the influencer space, with brands clamoring to work with them. And as a computer geek and marketer, I saw one thing: an opportunity. My mind was running 1 million miles per hour. I wanted to create a tool that could help anyone become a virtual influencer. And after months of hard work and dedication, we finally did it. We developed a groundbreaking AI-powered software that allows anyone to create their own virtual influencer in just minutes. No more hiring expensive agencies. No more worrying about technical skills. No more spending countless hours creating and animating 3D models. Just a few clicks and you can have your own virtual influencer, ready to take the social media world by storm. The future is here and it's yours for the taking. Here are just a few examples of how you can make big cash with your own virtual influencer. ultimate brand deals, lock in high-paying sponsorships that turn your virtual persona into a revenue-generating powerhouse. Cutting-edge product sales. Leverage your AI's influence to move the coolest products, making every click a cash injection. The expertise for hire. Position your virtual self as the go-to expert and watch clients line up with wallets open. Sponsor shoutouts. Supercharge each post with paychecks, making monetizing your feed a breeze. Affiliate windfalls. Recommend what you love and earn without the hard sell. Merchandise movement. Launch a line of must-haves that fans will scramble to own. Strategic partnerships. Build a solid income foundation with consistent brand collaborations. Exclusive content clubs. Offer your followers insider access in return for a premium. Video virality. Turn trending platform views into a source of income. Rights, royalties, and residuals. Let your virtual creation headline games and ads for a lucrative licensing gig. That's just a taste of what's waiting for you in the world of virtual influencing. But the bottom line is, you can have your cake and eat it too. You can have the fame, fortune, and success of an influencer without sacrificing your sanity, privacy, or personal life. Introducing AI Fame Rush, the world's first AI-powered virtual influencer creation tool for marketers. Create your own virtual influencer or clone yourself in just minutes and dominate the influencer space like never before. No tech skills, recording, voiceovers, acting, dancing, or modeling required. All it takes is just 3 simple steps to create an attention-grabbing, commission-generating, stunning, lifelike virtual influencer in any niche. Step 1. Capture or dream up your star. Either shoot a quick video, snap a picture, or let our revolutionary AI generate a brand new influencer persona just for you in one click. Step 2. Bring them to life. Our cutting-edge AI tech seamlessly integrates your chosen face into any video, making it look like they were always meant to be there. Choose from our vast library or upload your own content, then customize it with text, music, effects. You name it, your creation, your rules. Step 3. Launch and watch the magic happen. Post your virtual influencer on all major platforms: Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, and more. Use them in your ads and watch as your brand, business, and persona skyrocket to new heights. Here are some of the crazy benefits you'll get with the AI Fame Rush. Number 1. Get the first mover advantage and dominate. Tap into the 24 billion virtual influencer market first and establish yourself as a top influencer in your niche. Number 2. 24/7 sales machine. Your virtual influencer never rests, promoting your products, services, affiliate offers all day, every day. Number 3. Become a superstar and get paid huge commissions. Reach millions of global followers and attract big brand deals and partnerships. Number 4. Ready to monetize virtual influencers. Gain access to a library of virtual influencers ready to promote your brand or product. Number 5. Create your own clone. Want fame and commissions without putting your real face out there? Clone yourself in minutes. Number 6. Protect your privacy and personal life. No need to put your own face out there. Let your virtual influencer do all the work. Number 7. Skyrocket engagement, leads, and sales. Generate highly engaging viral content that pulls in millions of followers, leads, and sales. Number 8. Save time, money, and resources by automating your influencer marketing strategy and letting our tool do all the work. Number 9. No tech skills required. Easy-to-use interface means anyone can become a virtual influencer. Number 10. Enjoy free updates forever, ensuring AI Fame Rush remains cutting edge. So what's the price? Imagine spending thousands on traditional influencer marketing, hours in negotiations, just to hit a dead end. Results? Minimal, or spending hours, days, or even months creating content that barely gets seen. Paid ads that bring in little or no ROI. That's yesterday's game. With AI Fame Rush, you skip straight to the part where you see results. Without breaking the bank, generate endless viral content, skyrocket your visibility, and reach millions of potential customers, all for a one-time affordable price. No recurring fees, no hidden costs. Just a small investment to launch your brand, business, or personal brand into the spotlight. Today, you can get access to AI Fame Rush for a low one-time price. So how can we afford to sell it for such a low one-time price? Because this is a limited time, one-time offer, after the launch, we will be turning the price into monthly subscription model. We need lots of resources to run this business, and we need to make sure we can continue to make it available for all of you. And this way we will be able to support our operations more effectively, have enough resources for new features, and develop the platform further. Remember, the low one-time price will never be offered again. You will lose out big if you don't grab this deal now. Now, if you're skeptical regarding your investment with us, you should know that you're covered by our 100% money-back guarantee, which basically means that you can try it completely risk-free. Don't let this opportunity pass you by, or you will regret it later. AI Famrush is the best, fastest, and easiest way to skyrocket your brand, business, or personal brand. If you don't take action now, you will miss out on being one of the first ones to dominate your market with this revolutionary AI technology. So don't let that happen to you. Don't regret getting the AI Famrush at a higher price, or worse, don't regret it when it's off the market. Get your copy now.
AI Famrush is more than a tool, it's a promise of a marketing landscape where your virtual influencer tirelessly works to embody your brand's vision. Before you leave, just know that there are a few upgrades, but completely optional. Thanks for hanging out with me during this review, and hit the like and subscribe button to stay notified on my next review.